Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Tap the three dots More at the bottom and scroll down to find Create. Then tap on it. Once the Create page opens, tap the three lines at the top left corner, then tap Creations. Next, tap the My Experiences. In My Experiences, tap the three lines at the top left, scroll down, and expand the monetization section, then tap on Passes. Now scroll down and tap Create a Pass. Tap the Change button to upload an image from your gallery, then enter a name for your Game Pass and a short description. Tap Create Pass again. Once the pass is created, tap on the pass you just made to set it for sale. Tap the three lines at the top right and select Sales. Turn on Item for Sale and type the price in Robux. For example, 20 Robux. Finally, tap Save Changes. That's it. Your Game Pass is now ready, and players can buy it to donate Robux to you in PLS Donate.